True, peace, kins, and kinettes. I am back at y'all with another one. And if you trying to stay ahead of the game, man, you should go ahead and subscribe to Peep the Slang. Dolphins have a functioning clitoris, study finds. Man, Peep the Slang. This came out yesterday, man, from the Healthy Day News. The sex lives of dolphins may seem to be an esoteric scientific subject, but there are researchers who wonder if a certain part of a female dolphin's anatomy might produce pleasure. Man, peep the slang. Every time we dissect a vagina, we would see this very large clitoris, and we were curious whether anyone had examined it in detail to see if it worked like a human clitoris. Uh-oh. Explained study first author Patricia Brennan, an assistant professor of biological science at Mount Holyoke College in South Hadley, Massachusetts. Man, peep the slang. We knew that dolphins have sex, not just to reproduce, but also solidify social bonds. So it seemed likely that the clitoris could be functional, she said. Now, Brennan and her team suggest that dolphins do indeed have a functional clitoris, man. Peep the slang. The findings were published January the 10th in the journal Current Biology. The clitoris-like structure position in the vagina entrance of bottlenose dolphins has a lot of sensory nerves and erectile bodies. The researchers looked at clitorises from 11 female dolphins that had died naturally. They examined them from the present shape and configuration of erectile bodies. They also looked at how nerve fiber ran through the tissues. They said that what they saw supports the notion of a working clitoris in dolphins, man. Peep the slang. Just like the human clitoris, the dolphin clitoris has large areas of erectile tissues that fill up with blood, Brennan said in a journal news release. Man, somebody gonna be out there pecking on one of them dolphins. The erectile tissue shape changes as animal become adults, Brennan said. That also suggests it acquires a functional role, man. The skin in that area is thinner than the adjacent skin, according to the study, which also found large nerves and many free nerve endings right underneath the skin of the clitoris. Researchers also found genital corpuscles, much like those previously described in the human clitoris and penis tip. Those are known to be involved in the pleasure response. Man, peep the slang. I love the tip. Overall, Brennan said that the erectile bodies in dolphins are surprisingly similar to the shape of the erectile bodies in humans, man. Peep the slang. Since the entire pelvis of dolphins is so different to humans, it was surprising to see how similar the shapes were, she said. Also, the size of the nerves in the clitoris body was very surprising. Some were larger than half a millimeter in diameter, man. Peep the slang. While scientists have known that dolphins are highly social and have sex throughout the year as a way of forging and maintaining social bonds, study of the clitoris and female sexual pleasures in nature is a topic that has seen little research. Even human clitoris wasn't fully described until the 1990s, man. Peep the slang. This neglect in the study of female sexuality has left us with an incomplete picture of the true nature of sexual behaviors. Brennan said, studying and understanding sexual behaviors in nature is a fundamental part of understanding the animal experience and may even have important medical applications in the future, man. Peep the slang. I think Mrs. Brenner is correct.